Opens everything up. All the tools are here. Okay, then you push the next button and it pushes it down. The molding isn't coming off this time. Okay, so now that's closed. Let's go over to the front. Oh, hey, puppy. Hey. Alright, so you open the trunk. There's a bunch of tools here. You know, you got your bazooka impact, got hammers and everything. And you push the button, and up, put your hand there, and it doesn't close. It's a lot of force. Push the button again, and it closes. And there's the Cybertruck. Pretty cool.